Are you looking for the perfect steam dryer to elevate your laundry game? In this video, we're comparing the top 5 steam dryers of 2024 to help you choose the best one for your home. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Maytag MED7230HW. This is a standout choice for anyone in the market for a steam dryer. This mid-range model offers excellent value, combining solid drying performance, intuitive controls, and useful smart features, all at an accessible price point. One of its unique perks is its ability to notify you when the drum needs balancing, a feature not commonly found in dryers. It also includes standard steam options, allowing you to sanitize laundry without damaging delicate fabrics and providing cycles to remove or prevent wrinkles. While some premium models may edge it out in raw performance, they come with a significantly higher price tag. For its cost, the steam dryer delivers outstanding value and functionality, making it a great choice for first-time steam dryer buyers. Number 2. LG DLX6700B. For a steam dryer that combines style, efficiency, and advanced technology, the LG steam dryer is an exceptional option. This sleek appliance not only looks great in your home, but also delivers top-notch performance, packed with smart features for modern laundry needs. The large drum offers ample space for big loads, while the steam modes sanitize, de-wrinkle, and freshen garments with ease. With 10 cycles, including AI dry, bedding, and steam fresh, plus customizable dryness levels, it handles various fabrics and preferences effortlessly. A standout feature is its smart pairing capability with the LG Steam Dryer Washer, which syncs wash and dry settings for enhanced efficiency. As an Energy Star-rated appliance, the steam dryer balances performance and energy savings, making it a sophisticated and functional addition to your laundry routine. Number 3. Maytag MED6630HC. This steam dryer is an excellent choice if you're looking for a combination of sleek design and reliable performance. This user-friendly dryer ensures clothes dry efficiently, even handling bulky items with ease using its extra power option. While this feature adds about 10 minutes to the cycle, it guarantees thorough drying, making it perfect for stubborn loads. Equipped with steam functionality, the steam dryer goes beyond just sanitizing and wrinkle removal. It also reduces static buildup, so you can say goodbye to post-laundry shocks. With its solid performance and thoughtful features, this dryer offers a practical and stylish solution for your laundry needs. Number 4. Whirlpool WED9620HC. This stands out with its exceptional drying performance, consistently delivering fully dry laundry in less time than most competitors. Its large drum easily handles bigger loads, making it a great option for families or heavy laundry days. Beyond standard steam options like sanitizing and wrinkle prevention, the dryer includes Whirlpool's intuitive what to dry or how to dry system, simplifying cycle selection by focusing on fabric and desired results rather than traditional settings. While the touchscreen controls may not appeal to everyone, the smart features and app integration provide a modern and convenient experience, allowing for effortless customization and control of cycles. If you value speed, efficiency, and advanced tech, the steam dryer is a solid choice. Number 5. LG DLX7930HW. It offers quick and efficient drying cycles, consistently outperforming the average dryer. Its steam options are a standout feature, alongside a reliable sanitizing cycle and an array of anti-wrinkle settings to keep your garments looking their best. However, some cycles reach temperatures above the recommended 150 degrees Fahrenheit threshold, which can potentially dry out fabrics and lead to premature wear. While this issue is generally minimal, only the normal cycle reached a peak of 172 degrees Fahrenheit. It's worth noting for those looking to maximize the longevity of their clothing. If you prioritize performance and don't mind the higher temperatures, the steam dryer is a solid option. For those seeking gentler care, other dryers may offer a more laundry-friendly experience. So, which is the best? The LG DLX7930HW takes the crown for its powerful steam features, large capacity, and sleek design. Ready to upgrade your laundry routine? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.